Well, shit. I said I was gonna make you a video. And, look how beautiful I look. Yeah, so attractive. And so, like, I just got out of the shower. Obviously. And I miss you. And I love you so much. You're my everything. And you're everything I've ever wanted and needed. And you make me so damn happy. And I can't wait to have your cuddles and your kisses. I love you so much, baby. Mwah! I'm so fucking weird. Well, there you go.